Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account type because that determines limits. If you have a workspace or education account, you can often host longer meetings, so check with your admin. Once confirmed, open Google Calendar, create the event, add Google Meet conferencing, and choose an open-end time when possible. Start the meeting from the calendar entry or Meet. Google.com, and immediately configure participant permissions and recording options so the session runs uninterrupted. Once done with the basics, decide how to extend runtime. The cleanest method is upgrading to a workspace plan like Business Standard or Education Plus, because Google extends or removes group call time limits for those accounts. If you can't upgrade, make pragmatic choices. Use recurring back-to-back meetings or rely on one-to-one calls, which often allow longer sessions. Make sure admin console settings permit long meetings, recording, and external participants. These enable continuous workflow and prevent early cutoffs. To finish, run a test meeting with the same number of participants to validate duration and features. This reveals any hidden limits. Make a co-host so someone can quickly recreate or restart the meeting if needed. Using the same calendar link or a planned backup link reduces disruption. If you're unexpectedly cut off, immediately verify your account plan and admin restrictions, then rejoin or start the backup meeting. One troubleshooting tip: if limits persist, contact your workspace admin or support to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.